Welcome back to Shin's Kitchen. This sweet and spicy salmon recipe will have your taste buds in awe for days. This recipe is quick and easy to make, so follow me. So right here I have my salmon and it's looking good, right? I'm going to place it on some paper towel and I'm going to pat it dry. Like, I would need it to be as dry as possible. Okay, so at this point my salmon was dry enough, so I'm going to go ahead and try my best to cut this into equal cubes. The thing is, the salmon that I have is not the right cut. Some parts are thick, some parts are thin, so I'm just going to try my best to get equal sizes. If it's not equal, it doesn't matter. Like, food is food. I'm just showing you what I do. So I'm going to try my best to cut my salmon. So right here, I'm finished cutting and I'm happy with the sizes that I have. I'm going to go ahead and season. So I'm going to add some garlic powder. Check the description box for a list of ingredients. I will add my paprika, black pepper, salt. So you can add a little less salt. Like I kind of added too much. Just a secret between us. So you can add less salt. I added some thyme because seafood and thyme goes well together. Next, I'll add some lemon pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and combine this together, give it a nice massage. So I didn't like how the seasoning was spreading, so I added a little bit of oil, just cooking oil, and I combined all the goodness together. And right here my salmon was looking so good. Like, look at the color, it was ready, like ready. We're going to make a creamy, spicy, sweet sauce. Yes, I'm going to be using Japanese mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo. So I was trying to use my spoon, but it spilled a bit, so I'm just going to eyeball it. So I add some mayonnaise, then I'm going to add my Sriracha sauce, spicy sauce, just a little bit of sugar. Check the description box for details. I'm going to add some sesame oil. I will add some Italian seasoning and of course some honey. Go ahead and mix everything together. Ensure to mix well so everything is combined, and trust me, this sauce is good with anything. Like, I use it to eat my french fries or chicken nuggets. Like, it is so delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and taste my sauce. I'm going to adjust my ingredients. I wanted it a bit more spicy, so I added some more sriracha. The sauce is quick and easy to make. It takes no time. Look at the creaminess. Oh my gosh. You can make as much as you want. It's up to you. Now it's time to prepare my salmon. To a frying pan, I'm going to add some oil and I'm going to move it around so that it's evenly coated. I don't know, this frying pan, the oil goes to the side. I don't know what happens. So I will add my salmon once the oil is heated up, not too high, like medium heat. So I'll add my salmon, evenly distribute it because I need both sides to be cooked properly. So make sure your heat is not too high. After around 3 minutes, I check my salmon and I'm going to go ahead and flip it over as gently as possible because I don't want it to break apart. So I'm taking my time. After 2 more minutes, my salmon was looking good. So I went ahead and checked, and look at that color. You're good at this point. So next, I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'll add my garlic. I was trying to be fancy, however, it failed. So I will use my tongue and spread out my garlic evenly. Next, I added my butter. And I'm so sorry, my camera isn't focused. Next, I will add some honey, and you can see that everything is coming together. The honey will give the salmon a glossy look. I'm going to be as gentle as possible, and I'm going to try to move my salmon around in the pot. I will attempt to flip it over, but it wasn't working. It was starting to fall apart, so I let it be. Next, I'm going to add my freshly chopped parsley. Sprinkle your parsley all over, and you're going to move your salmon around and really incorporate everything. The kitchen was smelling so good, but I am not done yet. I'm going to add my salmon to a bowl of rice with some cucumber slices and pear. Now I'm going to spoon over my sauce. Can you see how good this looks? Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know if you try this recipe. If you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.